Welcome back, YouTubers. It's been a while since I've posted anything for various reasons, but anyway, we'll get right to it. This is the latest piece of equipment I acquired. It's an old sickle bar mower, and it's seen better days. I think it's probably got dropped out of the back of a truck. We've got some damage there. We've got a couple of broken welds over here on the drive. We've got a pretty big gouge there, and the engine's missing. And the guy that brought this over to a friend of mine's to see if he wanted it said it had a Honda engine on it with a big hole in the side of it. So I'm really thinking it got dropped out of the back of a truck. But anyway, so I acquired it, and I'm going to try to fix it up. It's obviously had a lot of use over the years, but I think we can fix everything. You know, we've got some dents down in here, down there in the very bottom, that we can pound back out, and we can put a washer on this, weld it on, whatever, and just a few other repairs before we find an engine. I'm probably gonna, if I can't make an old tiller engine work, that I've got a couple of Briggs side shafts sitting over in the storage building that actually belong to my son, but he's never going to use them. I'm sure I can get them for nothing. But if I can't make one of those work, I'm probably going to go the Harbor Freight 6-horse $69 on sale route. Put one of those engines on there, as long as it turns the right direction. But anyway, we were curious, since the nameplate is gone. We don't recognize this, and we'd kind of like to know what this old mower was, what brand. And if you look inside here, you can see it's green. And if you look real close, you can see it was a light green right there, and it looks like it's been repainted. If you guys know what this brand was, the maker or whoever sold it or whatever, you know, hey, leave me a comment. It'd just be kind of interesting to find out. But anyway, here's the latest project. Hopefully we'll get it done before we move on to the next one, because there's still a bunch of projects here in the yard that, due to weather and the complexity of what needs to be done to them, they're still not finished. And I get some ribbing sometime from the guys that know me about how I start projects just to leave them sit, or not to finish them because I lose interest. Well, it's not so much I lose interest. It's, you can only work when the weather's nice enough, and when you have to make parts or save up for parts or actually find parts, you know, sometimes that puts that job on the back burner. But anyway, I think I can get this one done. It just needs some washers and some spacers and some TLC and a little bit of adjustment here and there, and then I can slap an engine on it. But thanks for watching, guys.